Hey mate, I'm gonna to introduce you how to make installation of this GMC or Silverado model. After you open the package, you will find like this is the interface box, and this one is the cable, the power cable, and this is the HDMI cable, GPS antenna cable. These two are LVDS cable for video in and video out. And I got ready for the top one is the HMI box, and under it is the radio unit, and then is the factory panel. Okay, let's start to. Okay, here I show you here. This cable, this cable is not in our package. It's factory LVDS cable. So I should be use it and when I make installation. So I show you it here, but I make it clear it's not our cable. It's factory one. Okay, let's start. Okay, at first got the power cable. This one, got this one, and it should be in to here. It should be here. This is radio unit here, and there's an adapter. You see, it's a family of adapter. So the original socket, connector, which should be plugged in it. Then here, in installation, you use this, you use the original one to this adapter. Okay, the next step is this one. Yeah, it's a T harness. It's still be a T harness. This one is exactly the same as this terminal is exactly same as the factory connector. And this one is a female one. Is a female one. You see. So we will connect this one, this male one, to the HMI unit. Then the factory connector, the cable harness should be the male factory harness will be connected with this female one, with female adapter. Okay, let me do it. See here, this socket. Okay, I just do it. This female. Then I start to connect to the interface box. It's very simple. I'm sure you can do it. Okay. Here is the power cable. Power cable here. The next one is audio. Audio to here. This one is audio is losing. This one is USB. It's kind of useless. Okay. Then this terminal is for stereo controller. You don't need it in GMC or Silverado cars. Okay, so the next step is to connect to make the video in. So at the beginning we use this cable. You see, one is green and one is green. Okay, this terminal is green one and this terminal is green. We call it it's a video input cable. That means that means the cable can be to transfer video into the interface box. So this terminal is connected to this one. There's a green socket on the interface unit. Okay, so we connect it. Okay, then this one in HMI, we connect to the factory HMI. It's HMI video out socket. Okay, it's done. And here is this cable. There's this is also a LVDS cable. We're showing it here is video out, GM video out cable. Okay, so it means video out. Then it can be output the video to the factory panel. Okay, the socket is here. It's a male one connect to the green. Okay. It's done. Okay. Then the last one is to the panel. Okay, the panel. On the back of the panel, there's two sockets. One is for, I think it's for power, and this one is for video. You see, it's for video. So obviously it's a LVDS terminal. So you see, this terminal is a female one, but this is a male. It's also a female one. So that's why we need this factory cable. This factory cable is this factory cable with two male terminals. LVDS factory LVDS cable with two male terminals. And beginning before installation, it's exactly cable which connected the HMI here to here to factory panel. Okay, so here we use one of the male terminal to the female socket here. Okay, done. Then the last step is to connect this new one, that is factory cable, to the factory panel. Okay, it's done. Before installation, you have to find the HMI box and the radio box, and you only need to plug this factory cable out and use our cable T harness here. And this one, and this cable, and this cable socket. Take off the original one. Use our cable, and insert the factory cable harness to this female. Okay, it's very simple. Then it's LVDS out. LVDS signal out to the interface. After processing interface, then it's video output again to factory panel. Okay, just simple. Hope it's helpful to you. Thank you.